Good morning. It is Real Estate Tips Tuesday, and this week's tips, we're going to talk about viewing homes. So if you're in the market to buy a home and you're kind of leery about all of this coronavirus pandemic and kind of the processes that goes through it, or maybe you don't even care, here are some criteria to kind of weed out some of the homes that you don't want to actually go and view. Now, it is said that a picture can tell 1,000 words, and that is true in most cases. But with technology today, it is so easy to manipulate a picture so that it looks its best. So it looks like it has great natural lighting, it looks like it's bigger, and it looks like it's awesome. There's also tricks where they can put virtual furniture into an empty space to make it look nicer. So when you think about going and touring homes, what you can do now is go through the homes that get sent to you and see if they have a 3D virtual tour. These tours are amazing because they kind of let you see each room individually and the flow of the house. It also helps you see the lighting and the spaces and large spaces and stuff, and you can kind of get a feel for the house that you can't get with pictures. Also, it helps to eliminate some of the houses that you might have looked at before just by looking at the pictures, because sometimes you don't know that the bathroom is right off of the kitchen and you don't want that, or that the stairs are in the middle of the house and you want them on the side. Because pictures, it's hard to tell where things are put, but when you go through a virtual tour, it helps you to eliminate some of the possibilities of going out and viewing these homes. Then, once you've eliminated those, but you still want some more information and you're still kind of cautious and you don't want to go out into these homes, you can always set up a virtual tour with your real estate agent or with a real estate agent. And that real estate agent can do the tour with you over your phone or the computer, or you can even put it up on the television screen as you're going through. And this way you can ask the real estate agent some of the questions, like, can you please look at this space? I want to see how this flows with the house. I want to see if the cabinets open properly or close properly, or open or close at all. I want to see how large the space is. Can you look out the window and see what direction this window and the view is of the home? And once you have done that step, then you can actually get down to, I actually want to see this house. So you can make a visit. Now, when you're going to visit a house during these times, you need to make sure that you use proper COVID protocol, which is wearing gloves and a mask, staying 6 feet apart, putting shoe coverings on, not touching anything, letting your agent do all the touching and turning on lights and opening of doors, and if possible, wipe stuff down. And then when you're done, make sure that you wash your hands. That way, you can help decrease the spread of any kind of virus coming into the home or getting onto you. And then once you're done with that, then hopefully that is the right home for you. There is a plus and a negative to this. The negative could be that this process might take a little bit longer, and it might cause you to not be able to put in an offer fast enough, and you might actually lose the home in the process of these extra steps that you're taking. But it also could help speed up the process, because now you can do these virtual tours practically any time. So you can be doing it at night, at 10 o'clock at night, and setting up your criteria for your real estate agent to do all the in-person viewings the next day, which might actually help the process move along faster, and you can put your offer in right away. If you enjoyed this topic, please press the like button and subscribe so that you can get these kind of tips into your mailbox every week. And if you'd like to discuss more about this topic, please contact me through my social pages. And until next week, have a wonderful rest of the week.